Hey guys, welcome to another DIY video with me, Elog. Today we are sewing a puffer bag. Now, I already know that I have a video out for how to make a puffer bag, but since then I've kind of found ways to improve how to approach it. Plus, this video is like much cleaner, and I've made the steps much easier to follow. And yeah, without wasting any time, let's get right into it. Okay, so here's the pattern. You're gonna want to draft a rectangle that is 20 inches by 16 and a half inches, and you will have a fold right where I labeled. As you can see, I mean, this is pretty self-explanatory. I don't think I have to be saying so much. And you're gonna cut out two of these. And so one of those pieces will be your outside fabric and the other will be your lining fabric. Now you can choose to line your bag with another material, with another fabric, with a different color. You can really do anything that you want, but for the sake of this video, and for the sake of time, I just decided to use the same material for my lining. Then, with your outside fabric still folded, you're going to measure up 4 inches from the bottom fold, and you're gonna make a mark. Now you're gonna make two more marks that are 4 inches apart, like shown in the illustration. You can use chalk or soap to actually mark the lines. Just make sure that once you're done like stitching everything, it's easy for you to clean everything off. So I advise just using like a bar of soap or just lightly using chalk to draw the lines. Next, you're gonna mark where these straps are gonna be. Now this measurement you get by notching the center of the top part of your bag, and then from the center you're gonna mark 3 inches to the left and 3 inches to the right, and this is basically where the start and the end of your webbing pieces are gonna lay. Next, you're gonna mark the exact same thing on the other side, so that when you lay it down flat you get something like this. For the lining piece, you want to make a mark that's 1.5 inches down from the center top, and you'll also do this at the bottom. So that's 1.5 inches from the center bottom, and you'll be sticking your Velcro here later to get something like this. This will be the inside of the bag, and so the Velcro is just going to help keep the bag closed. Next, you're going to cut out the batting. Now this is the soft material that is going to be inside your bag to make it puffy, and you can most probably get this at your local fabric shop. Just ask for it and they probably have it in the back or something. You're going to cut out a 34 by 22 inches piece out of the batting, and then you'll cut two pieces out of webbing that are both 27 inches long. These will be the straps. Then the last thing you're going to cut is a 2.5 inch piece of Velcro. This being your male and female, so you're gonna cut 2.5 inches of the one part and 2.5 inches of the other part. You know what I mean. So that's pretty much the last thing you're gonna need to cut, and let's get to sewing this thing. So step one, you're gonna lay your outside piece on top of your batting piece with your outside piece facing up. If you're getting your bag printed or embroidered, do it before this step. And you are just going to stitch along those chalk marks that you made earlier. Pin the piece of fabric on top of the bedding if that helps. Thanks for sticking it out till the end. I really hope that you found this video helpful. And also, I recently opened a shop on Etsy where you can get some printable PDF patterns that I made. There's a link in the description if you'd like to check that out. You can print them out on A3 or A4, and they're super easy to use. For watching until the end, you can use the code SALE30 to get 30% off when you get a pattern. Comment below what color you're gonna make yours, and tag me if you ever make one, and post a picture. See you next time. Bye.